In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Looker Studio. Navigating through different languages on websites can sometimes be a daunting task, especially if the default language isn't one that you're fluent in. But fear not, the process of adjusting the language on Looker Studio is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and show you how to make your data analysis even easier by setting it to a language you're comfortable with. First, you need to head over to the Looker Studio homepage. To do this, type https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be greeted by the homepage of Looker Studio, a powerful tool that lets you visualize your data with customizable reports and dashboards. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a blue button that says use it for free. Go ahead and click on it. This action is your gateway to accessing Looker Studio's features at no cost, which is great for both beginners and seasoned professionals looking to explore what Looker Studio has to offer without initial investment. After clicking use it for free, the next step involves entering your email address. This email should be the one you use for your Google account, as Looker Studio is a part of the Google suite of tools. Type your email into the provided field. Make sure that you're entering it correctly to avoid any login issues down the line. Following the entry of your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Please enter your password and then click on Log In. Remember, this is sensitive information, so ensure your connection is secure and private to protect your account's integrity. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate a bit within the platform. Click on the link to go to Looker Studio, or alternatively direct your browser to https://lookerstudio.google.com/navigation/reporting. This section is where the magic happens, where you can start creating or viewing reports. Next, to adjust the language setting, you need to manage your account a bit. To do this, click on Manage Account. This button is your one-stop shop for all account settings, including personal details, security settings, and of course, language preferences. Upon clicking Manage Account, your next destination is the Personal Info section of your Google account. Google integrates its services tightly, so changes you make in one area, like your language setting, echo across various Google services, including Looker Studio. Click on Personal Info once more when you find yourself in the account settings to proceed. Now here we are, right at the doorstep of where you can change your language. Click on Language. This option allows you to update your preferred language across Google services. It's important to note that changing your language here will affect all your Google services, providing a seamless experience in your language of preference across the board. As you click on Language, you'll be faced with a variety of languages to choose from. Look through the list and select the language you feel most comfortable using. This step isn't just about understanding, it's about making sure you're able to navigate and use Looker Studio to its fullest potential in a language that makes sense to you. Once you've selected your new preferred language, all that's left is to confirm your choice, and voila, you've successfully changed your language settings on Looker Studio. Remember, this change will not only apply to Looker Studio, but to all Google services linked to your account. It's a global change that ensures a consistent use experience across Google's vast ecosystem. And there you have it. You've just walked through the simple yet essential steps of changing your language on Looker Studio. Whether you're collaborating on international projects, learning a new language, or simply prefer to use software in your native tongue, this adjustment can make data analysis that much more accessible and enjoyable. Remember, Looker Studio is an incredibly powerful tool for visualizing and interacting with your data. Being able to do so in your preferred language can significantly enhance your productivity and understanding. Thank you for following along with this guide, and happy analyzing in your chosen language.